When it comes to choosing a bandsaw, the first decision you'll have to make is whether you need a benchtop or a floor-standing model. Both are designed for cutting wood, metal, and other materials, but they serve different purposes and excel in different environments. Let's start with benchtop bandsaws. These are compact, lightweight machines that sit on your workbench. They're perfect for hobbyists, DIYers, or anyone with limited shop space. Benchtop models typically have smaller motors, ranging from 1/3 to 1 horsepower, and they handle smaller cutting tasks, usually with a cutting capacity of about 6 to 8 inches. This makes them great for cutting intricate curves, smaller pieces, and detailed patterns. One of the biggest advantages of a benchtop bandsaw is its portability. You can easily move it around, store it when not in use, or take it to a different workspace. This is a huge benefit if you're working in a tight space or need to clear the area quickly. However, the compact size comes with limitations. These saws just don't have the power or capacity to handle larger projects. If you're working with thicker, denser materials, or you need to cut large boards, a benchtop saw will struggle. You'll also notice more vibration, which can affect the smoothness and precision of your cuts. Now, if you need something more powerful and capable of tackling larger tasks, floor-standing bandsaws might be the right choice. These machines are designed for heavy-duty use and are stationary in your shop. They have much larger motors, usually ranging from 1 to 3 horsepower, and can cut through thicker materials with cutting capacities of 12 inches or more. This makes them ideal for projects like resawing thick boards, cutting large logs, or even light metalworking. One of the standout features of floor-standing bandsaws is their stability. Because these saws are much heavier and more robust, they absorb vibrations better, resulting in smoother, more precise cuts. You'll find that the increased weight helps when working with larger workpieces, giving you more control and accuracy. Floor-standing models also come with advanced features, such as adjustable fences, better blade guides, and even variable speed controls, giving you greater flexibility and control over your cuts. However, all this extra power and stability comes at a price. Floor-standing bandsaws are more expensive than benchtop models, often starting around $700 and going up from there, depending on the brand and features. They also take up more space, which can be a problem if you're working with a smaller shop. And of course, they aren't portable, so they're a permanent fixture in your workspace once set up. So, which one should you choose? If you have a small workshop or limited space, and you only need to cut smaller materials or make lighter cuts, a benchtop bandsaw will do the job. It's portable, affordable, and efficient for smaller-scale tasks. But if you're a professional or a serious woodworker, and you regularly work with larger materials or need the power to handle more demanding cuts, then a floor-standing bandsaw is the way to go. With more cutting capacity, better stability, and advanced features, it's the best choice for high-quality, precise cuts on large projects. The decision really comes down to your specific needs, space, budget, and the type of projects you plan on working on.